Doing a video on my Dayton box fan on a stand. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. Just been busy with all these projects. It's Emerson. I'm gonna take the blade off. This isn't really a project, but I just need to let it run to get the oil off the windings because somebody spilt it on there. This Zero, which I'm just gonna leave it there because I'm not really a fan of Zeros. I got it for free though. It was at that Midwest Fan Fest in Kansas, and it was pretty fun. Met a lot of new fan collectors and got some fans. Also, this Dominion I got for free. Also, I'm gonna put it back together, and I'm going to leave it like this. Okay. And I'm also here's my Westinghouse Power Air that I'm restoring. You can see the blade and my Silver Swan. So I got my hands full, but that's okay. I'll do this is after it's been cleaned. Okay, here it is on high. Okay, let me start that over. I have got all of the towels down, and here it is on high. Here it is on medium. And here it is on low. And here it is off. You want to know, that's my cat eating, so. Yeah, and whoever got this wrote direct mail, which is kind of annoying, but okay, now I'm gonna do a startup. Here's the startup sound on high. And that is my Dayton box fan stand. Thank you for watching.